24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Letter J. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activity. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Let us learn about the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. This time it's the 10th letter J. Use the writing board and write letter J. Open the book and talk about the scene related to letter J. Ask questions from the children. For example, what do you see in this picture? What is happening in this picture? Ask them to identify the objects that start with the sound J. Recognition of capital and small letter J, and related vocabulary activity. Write capital letter J and tell the children that J is the 10th letter of English alphabet. Then write small letter J, point to capital J and tell them that its name is capital J. Then point to small j and tell them that its name is small j. Sound of the letter remains the same whether it is capital or small. Tell the children that they will be recognizing capital and small letter J. Learn its related vocabulary and write the capital and small letters J with correct formation. Start the lesson by telling the following story of letter J. Jack loves eating and playing. He also loves collecting toys. One day, his mother went to market. Jack sat on the grass, poured some fresh lime from the jug, and picked out some cookies from the jar. He ate and played with his jeep and jet. Ask the children to tell the words that start with letter J. Yes, J, jet, repeated 3 times. J, joker, repeated 3 times. J, jug, repeated 3 times. J, jar, repeated 3 times. Write the letter J on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter J and it says J. Say the sound of letter J. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. J, j, jug. J, j, jet. J, j, joker. J, j, jug. J, j, jet. J, j, joker. J, j, jug. J, j, jet. J, j, joker. J, jet. J, joker. J, jug. J, jar. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Tell the children J is a consonant. Group activities. Organize the students in different groups and perform the following group activities. Group number 1. Provide the students with flashcards of fruits and different materials, and instruct them to do sorting of flashcards of fruits or things that begin with letter J. Group number 2. Provide the students with white sheet or plain paper and instruct them to draw things that start with letter J. Group number 3. Take the students to playing area and instruct them to make strawberry and apple jam. Group number 4. Instruct each student to write letter J with correct formation. Paste the pictures they draw from letter J on their copies. Note: make sure every student performs group activity. Formation of capital and small letters J activity. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write capital letter J on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Capital J. Start from the top line and move straight down to the 3rd line and curve back at left side and slightly lift. Move back to the top line and draw a line across. Small j. Write the small letter J on the last 3 lines and give instructions. Start at the middle, 2nd line, and draw a straight line touching the last line, 4th line. Curve back to the left side and slightly lift up. Then go above the middle between the 1st and the 2nd and make a small dot. Encourage them to write capital and small letters J in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Ask them to open their textbooks and write capital and small letters J with the help of dots. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize J. Reinforcement worksheet of capital and small letters J can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.